Have you ever gazed up at the night sky, mesmerized by the twinkling stars, and dreamt of soaring through the cosmos? Space travel, once the stuff of science fiction, is hurtling towards reality. Private companies like SpaceX and Virgin Galactic are vying to become the first to usher in a new era of commercial space tourism. But amidst the excitement, a crucial question lingers: is spaceship secure? In this video, we'll embark on a thrilling journey, exploring the potential security vulnerabilities of spaceships and the innovative solutions being developed to safeguard these celestial chariots. Security threats, a million miles from help. Imagine this: you're strapped into your luxurious spaceship seat, hurtling towards the breathtaking panorama of Earth. Suddenly, the onboard announcement system crackles to life, a distorted voice declaring, "Attention passengers, this is your captain speaking. We've been hacked." A shiver races down your spine. Spaceships, by their very nature, operate in a hostile environment, the vast emptiness of space. Unlike a plane encountering turbulence, there's no pulling over to fix a problem. Even minor security breaches can have catastrophic consequences. Here are some key security threats spaceships might face. Cyber attacks. Just like any computer network, spaceships are susceptible to hacking. Hackers could target critical systems like navigation, communication, or life support, potentially putting the lives of everyone on board at risk. Insider threats. The close quarters and unique pressures of space travel could make the crew more vulnerable to insider threats. A disgruntled crew member with access to sensitive systems could wreak havoc. Space debris. Hurtling through space is like navigating a cosmic minefield. Space debris, ranging from tiny paint flecks to defunct satellites, poses a serious threat to spaceships. A collision could cause catastrophic damage and compromise security systems. Space weather. The sun's temper tantrums, in the form of solar flares and coronal mass ejections, can wreak havoc on electronics. A powerful solar storm could disable critical systems, leaving the spaceship vulnerable. Securing the skies, building fortresses in the final frontier. The good news? Space agencies and private companies are well aware of these security threats and are developing robust solutions to fortify spaceships. Here's a glimpse into their arsenal. Redundancy is key. Critical systems on board spaceships will likely be designed with redundancy. This means having backup systems in place so that if one system fails, another can take over. Cybersecurity measures. Expect advanced firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and robust authentication protocols to be commonplace. Encryption will be vital to protect sensitive data during transmission. Crew training. Just like pilots undergo rigorous training, future astronauts will likely receive extensive cybersecurity training to identify and mitigate potential threats. Space debris mitigation. Efforts are underway to track and remove space debris from orbit. International cooperation will be crucial in establishing protocols for responsible space exploration. Space weatherproofing. Spaceships will likely be equipped with shielding to protect against solar flares and other space weather events. Additionally, having early warning systems in place will allow crews to take evasive action if necessary. The future of spacefaring security, a collaborative effort. Securing spaceships is no small feat. It requires a collaborative effort between space agencies, private companies, cybersecurity experts, and international cooperation. As we inch closer to the era of commercial space travel, robust security measures will be paramount in ensuring the safety of every spacefaring adventurer. Challenges and considerations. While the solutions mentioned above sound promising, there are still challenges to overcome. Designing and implementing foolproof security systems for the harsh environment of space will require constant innovation. Additionally, balancing security with passenger comfort and privacy will be a delicate act. So, is spaceship secure? The answer, like most things in space exploration, is it's complicated. There are significant security challenges to address, but with ongoing research and development, we can create robust safeguards for these celestial chariots. The future of space travel is bright, but it's a future that must prioritize security. After all, who wouldn't want their cosmic adventure to be a smooth ride, free from the worries of hackers and space pirates? With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.